Welcome to this exceptional entertainer's dream home of nearly 6,000 square feet. It's ideally situated in a highly desirable neighborhood and on a large lot with a dream backyard with expansive outdoor spaces for enjoying the best in Northwest living. A builder's custom personal home, it's thoughtfully designed with impressive features throughout. Enjoy formal and informal spaces for gathering with friends and family, 2 cozy gas fireplaces, and an inviting open-concept floor plan with a great flow for entertaining. The spacious gourmet kitchen features custom cabinets, a wine refrigerator, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Plus a huge walk-in pantry. You'll also find 2 laundry rooms and a well-appointed, elegant dining room. French doors open to the party room, complete with a wet bar. Take in amazing sunset views in your master suite and relax by the fireplace. The spa-like master bath features separate vanities, a soaker tub, a dual-headed shower, and a large walk-in closet. You'll find 2 extra-large bonus rooms on this upper level. All 4 bedrooms are oversized with large closets. From your home office, you can take in beautiful territorial views. Bring your boat or trailer for the extra-long 3-car garage. Make memories by the gas fire pit and hot tub, or enjoy the 20 by 40-foot pool, complete with a pool house. Plus a sport court. The pool includes a convenient automatic pool cover. Other features include an entire home and pool area audio system, sprinkler system, and rock water feature. You'll find this amazing home on Southwest Juliet Terrace, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Brandon and Christy Bettinelli with Premier Property Group.